dwell in the midst of thee, and thou shalt know that the Lord of hosts hath sent me unto thee. And the Lord shall inherit beautiful fruit in the Holy Land, shall choose my desire upon earth. Man, I'd like to sing that song. It is better to trust in the Lord than to put confidence in man. It is better to trust in the Lord than to put confidence in princes. Accomplishing you is a problem today. All nations the enemy can be applied here. Thou hast thrust sore that I might fall.